केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ।
सही दाम मतलब केसरिया।
So guys, today's video is gonna be special because in today's video I'm showcasing not the randomly selected saree, guys. Today's video, all the varieties I'm gonna showcasing you, these all are selected by our customers. Yeah, they are some of them are selected in the video call facility, some of them are they visited here and then selected. That kind of the sarees I'm gonna showcasing you. So it's one of the important video for you. So please watch the video from start to till the end. Many of the varieties and many of the different kind of the ranges, tastes, all gonna be I'm showcasing you. So first of all, in my hand, in these kind of the beautiful brasso sarees you're gonna be having. See guys, in these kind of the unstitched blouse also, or some of the pallu you're gonna be seeing, you're gonna be having in these kind of designs. Next varieties I'm gonna showcasing you. Like see, this is the variety in which you're gonna be having some of the beautiful designed work. Like sarees gonna be simple, but they are come with along with the heavy work sarees, guys. See, in these kind of the work, see guys, beautifully you're gonna be having in these kind of the sarees. See guys, threading tassels are also there in these kind of the sarees. See, threading tassels are also there. In this, you're gonna be having heavy worked blouse pieces, guys, like silver jaried work you're gonna be having, and these kind of the concept you're gonna be having. See guys, beautifully designed work you're gonna be having. And let me tell you guys that single in these kind of the heavy sarees you're gonna be seeing, and you're gonna be deciding that the single piece will be available or not. So let me tell you, single piece will not be delivered. You have to purchase in a set wise. And the next saree, 60 gram Georgette concept, guys. Like in these kind of the sarees, you're gonna be having 60 gram Georgette kind of concept. See, fully the saree is gonna be plain with the extra shimmer, blooming work kind of concept. See guys, in these kind of the beautifully threaded tassels work you're gonna be having. And apart from that, guys, in these kind of the heavy worked blouse also you're gonna be getting. See guys, these kind of the sequence work and some of the golden jaried work also you're gonna be getting. All these gonna be ranges you're gonna be having, that all are you will be getting at the factory rate. See guys, these kind of the ranges you're gonna be getting. See guys, these kind of the threading tassels work you're gonna be getting. And in these kind of the designs you're gonna be getting some of the unique variety, like it. See guys, beautifully designed work, some of the sequence work you want to be getting, multicolor threaded work also you want to be getting. And apart from that, many of the beautiful designs and concepts are waiting for you guys. Yeah, we are not providing only the one state regional taste, we are getting all the Indian regional taste of sarees, guys. All you will be get at under one roof, which you name it, Kesaria Textile Company. Next variety I'm gonna showcasing you. See guys, in these kind of the next variety I'm gonna showcasing you. Apart from that, you gonna be getting in these kind of the fully heavy blouse item, guys. Golden jaried work and some of the stone work are also getting here in these kind of the beautiful sarees. I see. In these kind of the heavy sarees also you're gonna be getting. And apart from that, you're gonna be getting in these kind of the variety, all you will be get at the 6 to 7 different color shades. Many of the abroad countries like Mauritius, Australia, UK, Malaysia, Singapore, that kind of the abroad countries, our customers are also visited our company and purchasing from us. And apart from that, any of your queries going to be left, then you can know me in our comment section. You are able to come, then most welcome. If you are not, then you can do your selection in the video call facility, and we provide you the photos in the form of PDF with particular range also. So guys, in this video, that's all. Please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा इनकम चाहते हैं। आप नौकरी करते हैं, आप हाउसवाइफ हैं, आपकी दुकान है या कोई बुटीक चलाते हैं या फिर रिटायर्ड पर्सन है, अगर आप व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ, मेंस वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, किड्स वेयर में सब कुछ, जैसे साड़ी, कुर्ता, सूट, लहंगा, ब्लाउज, दुपट्टा, ड्रेस मटेरियल, बॉटम वेयर, सब कुछ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे, ताकि आपको अपना व्यापार करने में आसानी हो। स्वयं का व्यापार कीजिए, एक्स्ट्रा इनकम ही नहीं, बिल्कुल एक असली सफल व्यापारी की तरह, ताकि आप दाम और दाम दोनों कमाएं। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करने का मतलब है स्काई इज द लिमिट। कम से कम लागत और कम से कम समय में ज्यादा से ज्यादा मुनाफा कमाएं केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना कर दें। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के प्रोडक्ट और कपड़े अगर आप बेचेंगे तो आपके ग्राहक होंगे खुश और संतुष्ट। यदि आप केसरिया टेक्सटाइल्स के साथ व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो उन्हें फोन कीजिए या फिर विजिट कीजिए केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की सूरत मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट पर। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बनिए।
सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया। साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।